excited to be out there. Oh man, I'm ready to do this one. I get to race in New Zealand. It's cool, get to go back to all my stomping grounds, all the old tracks, and it's been cool like hanging out with people and friends and catching up with people, and thanks to all the people for the feedback on the last video. It's sick, we're going to keep this thing rolling, a few more episodes. The last minute, like 2 laps. Top 5s.
And aim, eh? Yeah.
Like fucking mad. Here again in the garage, put some fresh grips on the bike, Valley Champs this weekend. The dirt is the same color as my bike, it's going to be sticky, heaps of ruts. I grew up riding this track, so I'm excited to get back out there. Patetonga, my local track, grew up riding here. Valley Champs today. The track is sticky, dirty, it's rough, mean ruts, but this will be my final race before heading back to Canada, so I'm excited to get out there. Had one race already, had some fun, gonna go out there and do the same thing.
Something went wrong tonight. Lonesome but I feel alright. I lost them all hours before. Stranded under strangers, talking no more. It's different and ironic somehow. Don't know, nobody knows you while you tripping away. My thoughts come and go. Oh no, I haven't had this ever before.
try and push a little bit more on this one. Super tacky, which is good. But yeah, loving the track, having fun. I'm ready to go out there and do it again. Hopefully some battles, that'd be good.
Something went wrong tonight. Lonesome night, I feel alright. I lost them all hours before. Stranded under strangers, talking no more. It's different and ironic somehow. Don't know, nobody knows you while you tripping away. My thoughts come and go. Oh no, I haven't had this ever before. Different and ironic somehow. Don't know, nobody knows you while you tripping away. My thoughts come and go. Oh no, I haven't had this ever before.
Up the day here at my old local, Patetonga. It was a good day, it was fun. Did a splits out with MX2, so it was cool to try to chase him down. Never caught them, but that's fine. Good day, threw some whips, and yeah, final race here in New Zealand. A couple more weeks before I head off, so yeah, main pump.
Stranded under strangers, talking no